Hi everyone, so we'll be discussing the topic of supply. So, as we discuss the concept of demand, it is very essential to first understand the concept of supply as well. So, in the concept of demand, it was all about the consumer, the person that who wants to buy or consume some product or commodity. In case of supply, we always think in respect to the supplier, whether he is willing to supply a particular commodity, particular product, what would be the quantity that he wants to supply, what would be the price at which he wants to supply. So supply can be defined as the amount of commodity produced and made available in the market at a certain price and at a given point of time. So the next question that comes into our mind is that how much a producer or a supplier would produce or sell into the market. So this always depends upon the market determined price of a commodity. It always depends upon the technology, the availability, the raw materials used in it. These all sum up to the price of the commodity and also the quantity, that how much the producer will actually produce and sell in the market. So it all depends upon the demand of the product, the availability of the product, the cost of the product, the cost of raw materials that are used to make that product or a commodity. So all this sum up to determine a market price for these commodities that the supplier or the producer will actually take into consideration and then decide that whether he'll sell it, how much he'll sell it in the market for its customers or the consumers. So I hope you understood this concept of supply.